for today's video, we will have fundamental assumption and adjustment problem from the Raffles 2024 paper 2 question 14. So, let's start with this question. Each child gets 2 bags and each bag either has 10 chocolate or 15 butter cookies. Now, there are 88 children and receive 2,345 cookies altogether. Now, we're finding the total number of butter cookies. So here, we were given a lot of information. So, first thing we can do is to organize. So here, it was said that each child has 2 bags. So here we have some children and each of them has 2 bags of cookies. Now, each bag contains either 10 chocolate or 15 butter cookies. So for each bag of these children, we don't know whether it is chocolate or butter cookies. Now, there were 88 children. So the total of these children are 88. And all of them received the total of 2,345 cookies. So from this information, we need to find the number of butter cookies. But we don't know whether these children has chocolate bag of cookies or butter bag of cookies. But here, we have a total of 88 children, and each of them gets 2 bags of cookies. So, what can we get from here? We can get the total number of cookies. So, from this information, we need to find the number of butter cookies. But we don't know whether these children has chocolate bag of cookies or butter bag of cookies. But here, we have a total of 88 children and each of them gets 2 bags of cookies. So, what can we get from here? We can get the total number of bags. So, that is 88 times 2 is equal to 176 bags. So, from these 176 bags, each of them can be 10 chocolate bag of cookies or 15 butter bag of cookies. And the total of these cookies are 2,345. And we want to know how many are butter cookies. How? So we can try to guess how many chocolate or butter cookies and check if it will be a total of 2,345. Now, if we do this, it may take us some time. So other way is we can also try to assume. Assume that all bags contain 10 chocolate cookies. So what will be the total of the cookies if all are chocolate? That will be 176 times 10. We have 1,760 cookies. Now, it says here that the actual number is 2,345 cookies. So, we have lesser cookies if all are chocolate. So, how many more cookies do we need? That is 2,345 minus 1,760. We have 585 cookies. So this is the difference between the actual number and assumed number. So we need to add 585 more cookies to reach the actual number. So here, since butter bags has more cookies, we can try to change some chocolate bag of cookies to butter bag of cookies to cover these missing cookies. So, if we exchange one chocolate bag with a butter bag, how many cookies will be added? That is 15 minus 10, we will have 5 more cookies. So, for every exchange, there are 5 cookies more. So, to cover the missing 585 cookies, how many exchanges of chocolate to butter bag do we need? That is 585 divided by 5 is equal to 117 exchanges. So, we need to exchange chocolate to butter bag 117 times. So, how many butter bags are there? There are 117 butter bags. So, how to find the total number of butter cookies? We multiply the number of bags and the number of cookies for each bag. So, we have 117 times 15 is equal to 1,755 butter cookies. Okay, so for this problem, first thing that we did is we assumed that all are chocolate bags of cookies. And to cover the difference, we adjusted it by exchanging some chocolate bags to butter bags. And this method is what we call the assumption and adjustment method. So this method can be used if we have total value. So here we have the total number of cookies. We also have the total number of bags. Plus the two single values, we have 10 chocolate cookies or 15 butter cookies. But for this problem, we weren't directly given the two totals. That's why we first organize the information given. So to recap this question, if given the two total values and two single values, we can use the assumption and adjustment method. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PSLE math tutorials. You can also join our PSLE 2026 study group today. Thanks for watching. Bye!